guys, sabi ni Chloe, ulitin ko daw yung order niya is for for Chloe is 6 scoop dito kasali. 6 scoops orders daw. Okay, for Chloe, gagawin ko yan. Circle mo na talata. Let's go, guys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na yan, guys. Bali, 6 na yan, guys. Okay. 6 na yan, guys. 6. Lagyan ka natin siya. Pagka nakuha yung piso, ibig sabihin ay freebies siya. Alright na, guys. Papalitan ko na tong color peach, guys, is clay na po yun. Ay, clay. Wala na tayong clay today. Ilalagay ko na lang po dun is play money. Okay, game. For color blue is photo card golden. 1, 2, 3. Okay. For peach is clay. Ay, okay. Play money. Play money. Next, pogs is 4. 4 na pogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, color pink is being photo card. Ay, guys, hindi na po available yung color pink natin. Hindi na po siya kasali. Papalitan na lang po natin siya ng color green. Green is sticker name. Sticker name pa kaya? Ito, guys. Next, color. And guys, fast forwards. Kung dito na magtatapos, guys, tapos na. Ang daming nakuha ni Chloe. Nakuha niya to, guys.